Moving on now, I am your soldier. That was Rahul Gandhi's message today to tribals in Orissa 2 days after the centre struck down the Vedanta bauxite mining project in Niyamgiri in Orissa. Rahul visited the site of the proposed plant today and called the decision a victory for the tribals.
But not everybody is pleased with the Congress General Secretary reaching out. The opposition has slammed what they call Rahul's tribal agenda.
A hero's welcome for Rahul Gandhi at Lanjigarh. 2 years ago, he had promised tribals that he'd be their soldier in Delhi to fight against MNC giant Vedanta's plans to mine in the Niyamgiri hills held sacred by them. Although he praised the Adivasis for successfully defending their land, it was clearly Rahul Gandhi's victory rally.
कि मैं आपका दिल्ली में सिपाही हूं, मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, शुरू हुआ है। जब भी आपको मेरी जरूरत होगी, मैं आपके साथ खड़े होने को तैयार हूं, आपके साथ लड़ने को तैयार हूं।
The Adivasis want more from Rahul. While the centre has stopped mining plans in the Niyamgiri hills, a tribal's demand that he backed, the 8,400 crore alumina refinery has only been put on notice. And Vedanta is hopeful of mining bauxite for this plant from areas around Niyamgiri. So they want the plant scrapped.
ये नियमगिरी में जो हुआ, विकास के खिलाफ हुआ। ये विकास के खिलाफ नहीं है। यहाँ आदिवासियों की, गरीब जनता की आवाज कुचली जा रही थी। उनकी आवाज दिल्ली की सरकार ने सुन ली। ये विकास के खिलाफ बात नहीं है, ये विकास की बात है।
And in Delhi, other party leaders questioned Rahul.
से बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हजारों करोड़ रुपए का करके ये खदाने देने वाली यही सरकार है और उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाने वाले भी कांग्रेस के युवा नेता दिखते हैं। ये सब नौटंकी है।
Much of this will only be seen in practice. How the respective governments at the centre and the various states act. I mean, that is on that will depend. And therefore, in practice, you will have to see how sympathetic they are, how considerate they are.
Political games and strategies aside, for the Dongriya tribals and their supporters, it's been an incredible victory.
The Dongriya Khans of Niyamgiri are obviously grateful to Rahul Gandhi for the role he played in their campaign. But still, they are apprehensive. They feel as long as Vedanta's alumina refinery complex exists in their area, Niyamgiri is under threat. They want the government to do something about it.
With Sampad Mahapatra in Lanjigarh, Gargi Rawat for NDTV.